Hello everybody. Here in this video I will explain how to do the task 4 over voltage protection and C59. Right away I go to the data that we have. We have the primary 5000 primary voltage and nominal voltage, a VT value 5000 to 25, so secondary voltage in 5000 will be 25. We want to protect our feeder if the voltage goes over 120% of the nominal value. So we will put the pickup value 1.2 times U nominal value, which was that. So operating time delay, we have to put for 5 seconds. So if the voltage goes for like 1 to 3 seconds over the this 120% and comes back, it should not operate. And then the other condition is that when the the over voltage picks up, starts LED B should be blinking orange color, and then if the 5 seconds is passed and the trip happens, it should turn LED C to the red color and it should be latching. So let's go to the protection, how you should do in the scaling. We are going here, we put this is the CT for VT. You should put here 5000 and 25. These are only things that we need, primary and secondary. So those are put, and then write it. I've already put them here, so I just want to quickly show. These are the two settings that was here needed. Then we go to the protection and activate 59.1. You put this here. Here you should put 1.2 and delay 5. Those are the only things that you need to do. And then write it. Then we go to the matrix for the protection. Here we will go to the output matrix, and for 59.1 we connected to the digital output 2 on the B slot. This should be latch. So then we go to the LED matrix, and in the LED matrix we need to put 59, this 3. You see 59, when it starts we have to connect it to the LED B green and LED B red. So when red and green are combined together they become orange. So this will be connecting the LEDs, and when the trip happens it should turn on the C is right now this one, red one. And then for the blinking, how it should work, we have to go to the control LED configuration. We put LED B green and B red blinking. LED C red should be latching. And after all of this is done, you can write all or just write in every pages. When it is done, we will come to this point that I've already written everything, so I don't want to waste time for it. It's written. Now we have to go to the test and filling this table. First we have to inject 5000 volts, then we see that LED B is off. We inject over 6000 volt, LED will start blinking. We inject over 5000, over 6000, and stay until the the trip happens and LED C turns solid red. Then we return, and then we inject over 6,000. Where's the 6,000 volt? And then return for 3 seconds, and then return to the 200 under 5,000. LED C stays latched. Is this correct or no? Inject over 6,000 for 3 seconds and then return to the 250. This is a question mark. Does it? Or so we will see. Press reset. The LED should turn off. So let's go to do those scenarios. We want to use the injection. Let me turn on the other camera so you can see the relay. So the relay is on. I will enable the virtual injection. I put 5. I put here right now the voltage 5,000 volt. All others should be 0, and let's apply it for 2,000 cycles or 40 seconds. We want to apply for that. During this 40 seconds I will try to do all what it's needed. So if we start injection, you can see that it is showing a bit less, 4,997 it is shown here. Right now the time is going, nothing is happening. B is not blinking, C is not turning red or anything. But as soon as I go over 6,000, right now B is blinking 5 seconds and then C turns red. And right now the circuit breaker has disconnected the power and C stays latching. So let's reset this. This was the two scenarios. LED B blinks orange. After 5 seconds, LED C turns red. But what if we inject right now it is first I have to reset this. Okay, let me right now I am injecting 5,400 volts. Nothing is happening. If for 3 seconds I will go over the limit, and then I went back. You saw that LED was blinking and then, but LED C didn't turn red. LED B, again I repeat it for a few seconds. I go here and then go back, nothing happens. Let's go again, and this time I will let it be in the C. 10,000 volt is, yeah, after 5 seconds it should be working. And if you have everything works like this, means everything's okay. And then we press the release, everything become green, and that's all the table you can fill based on this observation that you are making. You can test different like options and all.